How to block ads on Facebook. So in order to block ads that pop-ups on Facebook and disturb us, you can simply open Facebook app and then make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then go to profile or the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and on this menu section select the gear icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the settings and privacy page where you have to select see more in account center. Now scroll down and select ad preferences, and then next to customize ad, select manage info, and here you need to select categories used to reach you, and here you need to simply select the profile information and select no for the employer, job title no, and similarly for education also select on specified and select no here. Then after that, under categories associated with you, you can select view and manage button, and here you need to simply delete all the categories associated with you. In this way you need to select all the remove button and remove. Once you are done with that, you need to come out from this page, and then you need to select activity information from ad partners and then select review settings button. Here you need to select no, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information, and then come out from this page again and select audience based advertising. Here you need to check if there are any advertisers, so you need to simply remove this all the advertisers here. Further select they uploaded or used a list to reach you, and then select don't allow button. Here also you need to don't allow them to provide any ads. Similarly for everyone you need to select don't allow button. So once you are done with that, you need to select ads shown outside of Meta, and here it has been set to allow. Simply not allow this option as well. Select social interactions, and here you need to select the account and choose to only me, that is who can see your social interactions alongside ads for this account. So once you have done that, you will easily block ads on Facebook that are annoying to us. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.